Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see liked photos on Pinterest. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, all you got to do is just log into your Pinterest account, for example, right here. Now, let me go ahead and click on this specific picture. Then I'm going to like it. Maybe this one as well. All right. Now, once that's done, go ahead and go to the gear icon. And then just click on refine your recommendations. I'll be landed right here under activity. If it doesn't pop out, just refresh the page. And here we have it, right? So as you can see here, we don't have a liked section from Pinterest, but we do have this information from our activity. Now today I've liked these. 2 years ago, I've liked these as well. 6 years ago. So you'll have a history from the activity section. All right, so that is how you see liked photos on Pinterest. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.